Aitchison.
You love that, bro.
Nice carpet.
Oh, dude, we're leaving that.
Just put a disco ball up, man.
For real. Alright, well, we're taking a quick hot route. An agent who has brought me some deals in the past just hit me up, said we got a hot lead on the line, and I can do the walkthrough right now. So, you know, anytime there's opportunity, if it's a good opportunity, it's not gonna be around for very long. So we are heading over there right now. Cool thing is the property actually is right around the corner from my commercial property that I just bought. So we're gonna pop over there, do a quick little walkthrough, maybe crunch some numbers on this potential flip. Don't be distracting me, bro, when I'm driving. I'm trying to vlog.
My bad, man.
So this is the property. I'm not sure if Neil's here. He's videoing me, videoing him, and it sounds like there might be some people in the property, so might need to be a little respectful. We'll feel them out, and then we'll see if we can get some footage back and rolling. Well, this one was a for sale by owner. So you never know what kind of opportunity is gonna come from for sale by owners. But my buddy, he got in contact with the owner, and it sounds like the owner has just not been doing a really good job marketing it themselves. He's been negotiating back and forth with her, got her down to a price that makes sense. So we're gonna do the walkthrough, crunch some numbers, and see what we can do. That is some...
You love that, bro.
Nice carpet.
Oh, dude, we're leaving that.
Yeah, it's kind of
It actually has got a decent floor plan.
It does. I'm nice and open in here.
You could,
you know, move that out. Yeah.
chop that down.
Boom. That's what I was thinking too.
Open
You
that
put a
up.
bar or
Put
something.
a
Yeah,
bar with
right.
some stools.
Yep.
Scrape all the popcorn ceiling for sure.
I don't know what you do with that brick. Do you change that out or paint it or something or what?
You could flagstone it.
Flagstone
and
it
make
white
it
or
look-
something.
Yeah. But even then, sometimes like just painting this, depending on what color scheme you go with, like if you get a gray color scheme,
Sure.
painted that white.
White, yeah.
You throw in a nice like dark, you know, just paint this mantle like a nice kind of like
something dark.
Something dark. Yep.
Yeah.
Throw it up on the beam too.
For sure.
I actually really like this floor plan though.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, I was impressed when I came here. That structure around it out there. But back up to the green belt and that little deck off the back, I mean, it's juicy, dude.
Are there any inspection reports on it?
I see there's a note in there, Finley Pest, and she said she has it, but she's trying to get it for me. But you know, it's going to try and use that to eat her
nothing
up,
on the pool.
Nothing on the pool, you know.
Definitely would want to get a pool inspection.
For sure. Sewer probably too with those big trees out in front, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So that's the pool equipment. It looks like it's in decent shape. It's obviously been upgraded at some point. It's that stay right stuff, you know. But it looks like it's in decent shape.
Yeah, my pool guy, I'll have Anthony come out here and he'll run a quick inspection.
Yeah, they got a pool guy that comes like weekly too. So it's probably in good shape.
Cool.
But this is tits, dude.
This is money.
And the one right next door, that's the one that sold for $605, but it's almost 200 square feet smaller. And you know, doesn't have this platform.
Was it remodeled?
Yeah. I mean,
Like flipped?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, they flipped it. They bought it for $440.
Okay.
But that's sold.
I skimmed through it real quick last night.
That's sold in last year.
Nice big unit up top. Yeah, the roof's looking.
It looks a little shaggy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's. I mean, the ridging obviously needs to be pre-done for sure.
Yeah.
But even then, I mean, the moss and there's some curling under the. Some of it, yeah. That roof, that might be something that we can use against.
For sure.
Definitely a lot of dry rot. Windows, I mean.
For sure. Windows are toast.
Poke that, yeah, you can see they've. Yeah, there's probably more dry rot than we think.
Yeah.
Okay. So it definitely
Backyard's
needs.
money, though,
The
huh?
backyard's awesome, dude. This is
I
definitely
know.
a nice selling point.
Dude,
You got the stamped concrete over there.
Yeah.
Like that's a nice selling point for sure.
Which,
That's where the well's at.
yeah.
Got it.
Pump's good too. They supposedly, I don't know if they have one in the last they had it inspected, but That's pretty sweet to have a well.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
You know, especially when they do the droughts and everything else. I mean, you can just keep going all day long.
Yeah. If freaking apocalypse happens,
exactly.
Walking Dead, you're set.
You're set.
Yeah, this actually, dude, I would leave this for sure. This doesn't need to get torn down. Yeah, you need this would be a full kitchen remodel.
Yeah. Cabinets, whole nine.
Mm-hmm. Get rid of this.
You don't like this, dude? Just kidding.
I was like, you trying to keep it?
What's up, eh? I don't know what the deal is with that.
So you got one full kitchen, full bath, windows, dry rot.
What's the master? It's got 2 closets. Which is nice. Big old one there, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Master baths, from what I've seen on, experience, is like
big deal.
They make a big difference.
Yeah.
All right, so we just did the walkthrough, and the design on this place is on point. I don't know if I'd do anything, but once we're kind of breaking down the numbers, I love the layout. There's a lot of opportunities here to really make this place look nice, but now it comes back down to the numbers. So they're asking $450, or we're working at $450 with them right now. The rehab, in my estimate, I'll have to run numbers by Clancy, probably going to be in the 90 to 100K range, pending the roof. That could be an additional ticket item. Pool looks awesome. Not a ton of dry rot on the exterior. We're going to have to get a pool inspection to see. We want a pool inspections on everything that could become a big ticket item, so that way we can use that as leverage against them in negotiating. But if we can get it for $450, put 100 into it, we're at $550. It could sell at $625. You got to factor in your financing costs, realtor costs. It's going to be kind of tight, actually. So it's going to come down to the rehab numbers. So we're going to have to go crunch those numbers and see what we can do. Best comp in the neighborhood. So we would actually be basing it off this comp. They got a pool. They back up to a little river in the green belt. It's 200 square feet less and completely remodeled. Their floor plan is pretty similar, but they have some actually features that I like in that home better. So it'd probably be an equivalent comp, even though theirs a little bit bigger. But all comes back to the numbers. Do the numbers pencil? Do they not? So we're gonna try and crunch those numbers, see what we can do.